right, everybody. I'm here with Todd from Glass Doctor. Thank you so much, Todd, for being here.
You're welcome.
Today, we're going to ask Todd a little bit about Glass Doctor. So we'll just start right off. So, Todd, can you tell me a little bit about Glass Doctor? What is the brand? And a little bit about the mission and purpose.
Glass Doctor, we are North America's largest glass franchise, a part of Neighborly Brands, the world's largest home services franchise company. We currently are a little bit more unique than the other Neighborly Brands in that we're split into two separate options. There's Glass Doctor Auto Repair and Replacement Glass, and then there's Glass Doctor Residential Commercial Glass, or what we call flat glass. So not only will the candidate be evaluating this brand of Glass Doctor, they'll also be evaluating which side of the trade of glass really resonates with them in that market. And I think we do a great job of helping them narrow that down. I will say we most times nudge them a little bit more towards auto. As most of us had our windshields repaired or replaced, it seems to make more sense than the general contracting side. And also, you don't have to have a general contractor's license for auto. You do on the residential commercial side. So that almost always pivots the candidate more towards the auto glass side of Glass Doctor. So we are North America's largest glass franchise in the auto trade. We are second largest in residential commercial glass.
Wow, very cool. And you mentioned you're part of Neighborly. Can you just touch on that a little bit?
Sure. Neighborly has 20 brands under the umbrella of Neighborly that are all based on residential commercial services. So brands like Mr. River Plumbing, Molly Maids, Precision Garage Door, they all have carved out a niche for service that a residential or commercial customer would need in the market that they own. And of those 20 brands, 14 of them are number one in their categories. So we are true kind of leaders in the service industry, and that's really what Neighborly is known. And most of our large metro markets are known as Neighborly hubs, meaning we have all but maybe one or two of our brands in that market, and they truly cross-market and become a hub of host services in the metro territories.
That's amazing. Very cool. All right, going back to Glass Doctor. So who are the ideal customers for Glass Doctor, and how do you help your franchisees acquire those customers?
The ideal customer for Glass Doctor, and I assume you're talking about a customer that would call Glass Doctor for service. Glass Doctor customers on the auto glass side are really three different categories of work that we provide. One is that just that standard insurance referred customer, meaning you or I have a cracked windshield or somebody broke into the side glass and we've got to get that glass replaced. That's the typical insurance referred process. So we do about 21 to 26% of our volume at Glass Doctor Auto of an insurance referred need. Where we focus most of our energy at Glass Doctor is going to be fleet accounts and fleet services. And that's our number one customer. The reason fleets are so big for Glass Doctor on the auto glass side is rarely do anybody service that customer. Safelite, our biggest competitor in that space, doesn't work with fleet accounts. And the small mom and pops don't have the bandwidth to service multiple vehicles over a 2-day process. So we go after fleets, national account programs like Kroger, Ryder U-Haul Truck, rental car agencies, Caterpillar Equipment. We go after the national accounts or local accounts as well. That is a big customer of Glass Doctors. And then on the other side of that business is going to be your dealerships and collision centers. Collision centers don't typically replace the forward-facing windshield, so we typically subcontract with the larger carriers in the market. So those three areas of business are our customers who are using Glass Doctor.
Okay, very cool. Can you talk to me a little bit about your ideal owner for Glass Doctor? Who are you looking for in a franchisee?
Well, the great thing about Glass Doctor, we are very flexible in who we bring on as owners. This can be done semi-absentee. It can be done all in. It really is truly up to that individual owner and how they want to come into the brand. The ideal candidate for a Glass Doctor franchise location, it really runs the gamut. We like somebody who has a background maybe in sales or development. I tell you, folks that come from maybe an engineering background seem to gravitate towards our trade for some reason, auto or residential commercial. But honestly, there's no true candidate. We brought on policemen, we brought on veterans, we brought on engineers, you name it. Someone who just really has a passion for service trades, I would say probably is number one in who we look at in the development of an owner.
And what does a franchisee typically do every day?
A franchise owner, if they're not semi-absentee and they're all in, our owners are typically doing a lot of business development. They're dealing with insurance agents and insurance, candidates in that spectrum. They're establishing the relationship with the insurance agents in a market. They're also dealing daily with fleet services and fleet managers. We have a list of accounts that we need to be contacting and setting up our accounts with. A lot of in their beginning stages of ownership is a lot of just business to business development, whether they're a national account, whether they're a cold call, they're just active in their marketplace dealing with these accounts. And then the third category, they're really going after the relationships we have with dealerships and collision centers. So basically, it's a lot of it just setting up the relationship, setting up the system, but the paperwork's already done. They just are letting these customers know they're now in the market and they can service all their windshield glass needs.
For the semi-absent owner, you mentioned this can be run semi-absently. What are they typically doing?
If we're going to do it semi-absentee, then we need to find a great general manager that's going to be running that business, doing the things that owner would be doing if they were all in. That's very key to doing it absentee or semi-absentee, is finding a great general manager. And that's something that we help with here at Glass Doctor and Neighborly, to recruit that great GM if they don't already have somebody in mind. Just to show you that it can be done, our location in Wichita, Kansas, they're entering into their second year, actually their third year this year. They did it completely semi-absentee. In fact, he's still working for Toro Motors and has for 26 years, but they had this real desire to open a business. And so they brought in a general manager. Luckily, it was somebody they already knew, and it made them comfortable with that decision. But they'll do about 1.8 million in sales in just into their third year as a Glass Doctor location, doing it semi-absentee. So it shows it can work and done, but it's all about finding that great general manager who's going to run that business well.
Wow, that's incredible. Good for them. A little bit about the item 7. What does that look like typically? Where does the bulk of the investment go?
This investment is broken into two parts, like as most franchisors do. There's the franchise fee for the intellectual capital and rights to become Glass Doctor, and then you have your infrastructure needs for a glass location. We do require a commercial location at Glass Doctor, whether you do auto or whether you do residential commercial glass, and we help them secure that facility. So all in capital between 165 and 190 is really about setting up the business appropriately. But the franchise fee is a $59.9 franchise fee based on a population of 300,000 population or less. And then the rest of the capital gain goes to all things infrastructure needs.
Well, thank you so much, Todd. This is great. And Lisa will probably be meeting with you to do a longer, deeper dive into Glass Doctor. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll talk soon.
Thanks again.